How to change name in Google Meet. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your name in Google Meet. Now, since your Google Meet account is linked directly to your Google account, you can only change your name in Google Meet by changing your name on your Google account. And how do you do so? After launching your Google um, Meet application, move to the top right corner, and then you would see your Google account icon or profile icon. Then just click on it. After clicking on it, you'll see your Google account currently run by your Google Meet, and then click on the Google account tab just below your name. Then you'll be brought to this page, okay? Once you're on this page, you'll see your profile icon, your name, and all of that. Then you'll see some tabs like home, personal info, data and privacy. Ensure you select personal info. After selecting personal info, on the personal info page, move to basic info and then click on name. Then after clicking on name, you'll be redirected to another web page where you would see name, nickname. So click on name, click on the arrow, all right, and then you'll be taken to another page entirely. But before then, just wait for it to load. All right. So once that's loaded, this is how the Google accounts basic info page looks like. So the next thing would be for you to click on your name since you want to change it. All right. So just click on it and then erase it. Just go ahead and erase it. And then after doing that, enter in the new name that you want to use. Then move to the bottom right corner where you can see the save icon and then just click on save. And then your name will be changed just like that, as you can see there. So this is how you can change your name on Google Meet. Thank you for watching and have a good day.